I just bought all that champagne.
No, you need beer. Saved it.
Are you kidding me? No one has shoes on.
Nice.
You guys are idiots. Don't move it.
All right, so this right here are the trash cans. Watch this thing. Look at that. These are big. That's so cool.
He kicked it right. Yeah, look at it. He needs to go out there.
I grab all the balls and bring them in here.
I do understand, but this is not the way that things work. So, the thing is broken. And absolutely, have somebody come over and replace it because it's all broken. I understand you want to have fun, but things are going a bit over.
Just sucks that it had to happen on Tuesday.
So Max
he's already
just
with her.
broke this window frame right there.
Yeah.
This one.
Like he launched a soccer ball in there. That was our nicest Nona too. It was our favorite neighbor. She's so nice.
But now all of that is gone.
3 hours later.
Cheech just ate this, and he wussed out. He was
Okay, come look at the color of Cheech's face.
Cheech's red zone face, bro. No, he has been pounding the sink water, bro. What pepper is this, Max? Can we tell the camera?
Red chili finger.
It's a Carolina Reaper, dude. Holy shit.
Chili finger.
Moroccan chili finger. Whoop!
I'll put up
One bite.
I am a
We're-
little
It's not
bitch.
that crazy.
You're really red. Yeah, it was hot.
It's not. It's not.
I know. I got sunburned today also.
You just ran a marathon.
No, it's hot. I'm feeling it right now.
Oh, it's hot.
It's hot as hell, bro.
ASMR.
It's not even hot anymore. I can't taste it at all.
It tingles.
That's smart. But
But it's not like, oh my god!
Because I was like, one bite.
I just don't like peppers.
Yeah, just eat the whole thing in one bite. One bite. That's okay. Now just swallow it.
Swallow it.
Just stop. Just embrace the.
Oh my god.
Embrace the pain.
I need
Leave me alone, that's it.
Hey, mom and I.
Blah, 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 blah.
Ew!
Holy cow.
Oh, I'm really in pain.
She died. You need.
Guys, I'm in so much fucking pain.
Okay, so I'm just finishing up editing this video, and I wanted to say all the questions you left will be answered tomorrow on tomorrow's video. And geez, man, these things are taking me a while. It's like 5 hours a day to make a video, and it's kind of sad that my entire day can be condensed into like 4 minutes, but you know, that's what it is. It's a whole lot of nothing whenever you're in lockdown. So thank you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
Waking up in the crib, and sometimes I don't even know where I'm at.